The Lukha Festival is organized by the Sonapyrdi Tourism and Economic Development Society as a way to promote the indigenous economic, social and cultural development. Just like the river Lukha is unstoppable besides every challenges, similarly, we should live life to the fullest, chasing our dreams, aiming to become a better person every new day. We all can take steps to decrease deforestation and promote afforestation because, like Mother Teresa once said that, if we want to see change, we have to be the change first and create ripples that others can follow. A warm welcome to each and everyone to witness the biggest event, the Lukha Festival, at Sonapyrdi, East Jaintia Hills District, Meghalaya, from 31st January 2020 to 1st February 2020. Thank you so much. Kublai Chibon, Chihjarngo Ipivara.